To set screen resolution as XD plus at a specific time, in Samsung Galaxy S20, open Settings, swipe up option Home Screen to access the app screen, and then tap Settings. You can also open Settings screen from Notification panel, swipe down Notification panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down Settings screen, find Advanced Features, and then tap Advanced Features. Turn on Fixed View Routines. If Fixed View Routine is off, tap Fixed View Routine, switch until blue to turn on, and then tap Fixed View Routines. Tap Fixed View Routines plus icon. If select what will trigger this routine, tap plus icon again. Select time. Enter your start time and end time you want. For example, I want to start in 2 o'clock and end time in 7 o'clock. And then select repeat time you want. For example, I want to repeat in Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, or every day. And then tap done. Tap next. Then select what this routine will do. Tap plus icon. Scroll down. And then select screen resolution. Select XD plus. So you want to be interrupted. This action will wait until the screen is off unless the condition for this action is launching an app. In that case, this action can cause open apps to restart, close, and or work incorrectly. Select a resolution. Some currently running apps may close when you change the resolution. Select XD plus and then tap done. Tap done again. Enter routine name you want. For example, XD plus, and then tap done. Then XD plus 7, and then if time is 2 until 7 o'clock in every day, then screen resolution will be set in XD plus. You can also enable or disable running notification. To enable running notification, tap switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white. If you enable running notification, system will be show an ongoing notification whenever this routine is running. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.